Good morning. It is the 31st of January. This is our early morning broadcast. And looking at the markets this morning, cotton down some. Grains are sort of mixed, although it looks like soybeans are up some. Energy down, the dollar's down, precious metals are up. Global stock markets are somewhat mixed. Asia closed up, Europe is currently mixed, and the U.S. is down a very small amount. Exports are scheduled to resume today. We'll cover that. But according to a memo that came out from, I assume it was the USDA, they are going to report today the number that should have come out for the December 20th release. And then going forward, they'll follow the same pattern for a few weeks. Also, U.S.-China trade talks continue in Washington. I think this is our second day. We don't have any I have not heard anything about how that's going, but that is something that suddenly news could come out of that, which could affect the markets. Let's look at where we are. Cotton down 11 at 74.25. The high is 74.55. The low is 74 even, a relatively tight range. But we are above 74, and the longer you can stay above 74, the greater the chance you could set up for another move up, maybe a couple hundred points. March soybeans up 2 at 9.23, a high of 9.25, a low of 9.19 1/4. March corn is down 3/4 at 3.80 1/2, a high of 3.81 1/2, a low of 3.80 1/4. March wheat down a penny at 5.15 3/4, a high of 5.18 1/4, a low of 5.15. Crude oil unchanged right now, dollar down 4. Gold is up $13 an ounce. That's a pretty good move. Silver up 20 cents an ounce. And the last thing on the Dow Jones Index Futures contract would be the Dow would be down about 30. So that's it. Make sure you join us for this week's edition of our weekly market update, which will be coming out as the exports come out. Assuming that what the news release said is true, we will have an export figure here soon. Thank you.